So today I've got the new Honor Magic V3, and apparently we're looking at something that is incredibly thin and light for a folding device. This is their latest folding device. I've looked at their products in the past. That thing was already kind of like impossibly thin. Ooh, yes, that is incredibly thin. That is definitely the thinnest folding device I've ever interacted with. It is incredible that they're able to engineer something that thin. Definitely as thin as a typical smartphone, if not thinner than some of them when it's in its folded configuration. When you need that one-handed functionality, you have it, but then it's like you've got this bonus inside. You open it up and you have this tablet-like experience without the drawback of a fat phone.